What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Voyage RC. Got another episode of Toolbench for you. You can see here I've got the Novak wire cutters slash strippers. Pretty handy tool. I use it all the time. It's got the wire cutter there, so you can cut your wires. It's also got the stripper up top. You can see it grabs the wire in the teeth, and then the blades will strip it. Pretty handy tool. You can do it. You can cut the wire and strip it all without having to switch tools in the hand. Just cut, strip. The one thing I have noticed is even with this tension dial on the jaw loosened up all the way, I don't know if it's because it's new and the blade up here is still super sharp, but sometimes it pulls more than just the silicone insulation off the wire. Sometimes it pulls some of the wire with it. So just keep that in mind. On smaller gauge wire, such as this stuff here, you can see it's a really small gauge wire. Sometimes it just cuts the wire instead of stripping it. So this tool definitely works better on higher or thicker wire, so the lower gauge, 12, 10, 8 gauge wire. But yeah, that's the wire cutter slash stripper from Novak. Very handy tool. Recommended use would be on the thicker wire, so heavier gauge. Definitely check it out. I'll try to leave a link to it down in the description below. Thanks for watching.